How does creatine work? What are the health risks and the side effects of creatine? Can creatine cause hair loss? If you have these questions, stay with us until the end of the video. Today, we will explore the 10 benefits of creatine and 3 common mistakes about creatine, explaining each one based on science. We will clarify how creatine works, discuss possible risks and side effects, and dispel some common myths, such as the idea that creatine can cause hair loss. Stay tuned, as benefit number 1 is the most surprising of all and can help you gain more muscle mass. Number 10. It can improve your brain. Creatine is known to many only for its physical enhancement and strength increase during workouts, but studies show that it can provide nootropic benefits, meaning it can improve cognitive performance and brain function. Research indicates that creatine supplementation can significantly enhance various brain functions, such as executive functions, short-term memory, like the ability to remember your last workout, reaction speed, how quickly we respond to everyday situations, balance, especially in exercises that require it, like the bench press, where we use both strength and balance to keep the weight lifted, as well as improving mood and helping with symptoms of brain fog. Brain fog is a frustrating feeling of difficulty concentrating on something specific, such as during your gym workouts, and also of disorientation when you're trying to remember something specific and can't, or have trouble thinking clearly, like how many reps you've done during a workout. With proper supplementation and a balanced diet, creatine can help clear this fog and improve your overall mental clarity. When we think of creatine, the first thing that usually comes to mind is muscle growth, but creatine is also essential for ATP formation, which provides energy for both muscles and our brain. Studies also show that in healthy individuals, additional creatine can increase creatine levels in the brain by about 9%, which may improve memory, especially short-term memory. Moreover, there is an interesting study revealing that in patients as young as 4 years old, memory significantly improved after just about 3 weeks of creatine supplementation. This demonstrates how creatine can have a quick and positive impact on brain function, helping to improve memory and other important mental capacities in our daily lives. Number 9. Makes you look naturally better by retaining more water. If you took creatine right after an arm workout and notice that your muscles look bigger and fuller, don't worry. This is not a side effect, but rather an expected result of creatine supplementation, which I call the bodybuilder effect. This effect occurs when we start to see the results of supplementation in our body. Creatine causes our body to retain more water in the muscles, and this water is crucial for transporting nutrients to muscle cells. Therefore, it is very important to drink more water while taking creatine. As a result, the volume of your muscles increases, making them larger and consequently improving your appearance. Water retention in muscle cells with creatine use can increase by up to 12% in our body. Additionally, creatine can stimulate the production of more red blood cells, which improves the transport of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles, facilitating muscle growth. This results in increased strength during workouts, more energy for training, and better performance in heavier workouts. Number 8. Prevent muscle loss. One of the concerns for men over 40 is muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging, especially after 40. For those leading a sedentary lifestyle, this process can start from around 36. Therefore, it is important to be cautious if you do not engage in regular physical activity, as over time this can become a problem, especially with age. Muscle and strength loss can accelerate, with average muscle loss after 50 being about 1.5% per year. By age 60, this rate can increase to 3% per year, and this number only worsens over time. We can reach a 30% loss of muscle mass between ages 63 and 70, if no measures like training, diet, and creatine use are taken. Number 7. Beneficial for cardiovascular health. Studies show that when people use creatine appropriately in their diet and follow a balanced eating plan, they observe a reduction in LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol levels, and an increase in HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol levels. It has also been observed that in people over 40, creatine can significantly improve cardiovascular performance, as this benefit is related to the ability to sustain effort and perform workouts for longer periods. Number 6. Increased strength and muscle performance. When you include creatine in your diet, it can significantly help with your ability to perform strength training, such as weightlifting, and also in short-duration workouts. Creatine acts as an essential raw material that aids in the rapid recovery of muscle energy reserves, providing a greater sense of strength throughout the day. This allows you to train with more intensity, lift heavier weights, and perform more repetitions. With more repetitions, you develop more, increase your strength, and improve your athletic performance, making your muscles larger and more defined. Therefore, creatine not only enhances your performance, but also contributes to real gains in strength and muscle size, which are visible quickly when combined with a proper diet, appropriate training, and nutritional guidance for better results. Number 5. Supports bone health. Studies indicate that creatine can benefit bone health when used regularly, at least 3 times a week in adequate doses and in conjunction with a balanced and regulated diet. These studies suggest that creatine can have a positive effect on bone health by promoting bone formation and helping to prevent bone loss, which is common in men after 40. Creatine may influence bone metabolism and stimulate bone formation through indirect mechanisms related to increased muscle strength and consistent training and exercise. Number 4. Reduction of muscle fatigue. Creatine helps reduce muscle fatigue, allowing you to maintain workout intensity for longer and recover more quickly between sessions. After about 3 weeks of creatine use, you will notice that you have more energy for workouts and feel less tired during strength exercises. This happens because creatine supplementation improves the muscle's ability to regenerate ATP and reduces the buildup of exercise byproducts such as lactic acid, which contributes to muscle fatigue. As a result, you will experience reduced feelings of fatigue during and after strength training, enabling more consistent performance and less muscle discomfort. This way, you can lift more weight and gain more muscle mass. Number 3. Improved insulin sensitivity. Creatine improves insulin sensitivity, benefiting blood glucose regulation and helping in the prevention of type 2 diabetes. It works by enhancing the function of muscle cells in glucose uptake, resulting in better insulin regulation. This can help maintain healthy blood glucose levels and prevent the development of type 2 diabetes. Therefore, creatine use in people with type 2 diabetes can be very beneficial, as it not only improves workouts, but can also aid in the treatment of this condition. Before continuing, I will leave a complete guide on how to gain muscle mass in 14 days in the video description. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to receive more videos like this one. Number 2. Increased life expectancy. Using creatine in your diet and maintaining a proper and well-regulated diet can increase your life expectancy, as recent studies and research indicate that creatine may have a positive effect on longevity. A study published in 2019 showed that creatine can reduce mortality and extend the life of active individuals, meaning those who engage in some form of exercise or training along with creatine. If you've stayed with us, I will reveal one of the most important benefits of creatine in our body. Number 1. Increases testosterone. Creatine supplementation can help elevate testosterone levels. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research in 2019 found a significant improvement in testosterone levels in young men who used creatine, especially for those who exercised regularly, at least 4 times a week. The study showed that creatine supplementation, especially when combined with resistance training, resulted in a significant increase in total testosterone levels in men over 30. The study suggests that creatine may stimulate endogenous testosterone production, primarily due to increased training capacity and exercise intensity. Testosterone is a crucial hormone for maintaining muscle mass and strength. As we age, testosterone production naturally declines. Therefore, creatine supplementation can be beneficial in increasing your natural testosterone levels, helping to improve muscle strength and maintain good physical condition. When we talk about creatine, there are many myths related to it. Therefore, I have selected the 5 most common mistakes related to creatine and its effects on the body. Number 1. Creatine is only for athletes and has no benefits for regular people. While creatine is often associated with athletes and bodybuilders, its benefits are not limited to these populations. Creatine can be beneficial for anyone looking to improve strength, endurance, and recovery, and it offers several other benefits mentioned in this video. Studies have shown that creatine can benefit a wide range of people, not just athletes. For example, a review published in Asterisk Neuropsychology Review. Asterisk highlighted the benefits of creatine for brain and cognitive health, indicating that supplementation may have positive effects beyond physical performance. We use this review as a basis for this video, and we'll leave the link in the description if you want to read the full article to clarify your doubts. Number 2. Creatine causes fat gain. Creatine does not cause fat gain, as many claim. What may occur is an increase in body weight due to water retention in the muscles and increased muscle mass, but not fat gain from creatine. Studies show that creatine improves performance in high-intensity exercises and promotes muscle growth, but does not lead to increased body fat. Therefore, claiming that creatine causes fat gain is a mistake, as a study published in Asterisk, Journal of Applied Physiology Asterisk, found that creatine primarily results in increased lean muscle mass and not fat accumulation in the body. So you can use creatine without the fear of gaining fat. Number 3. Creatine causes hair loss. This is the most common myth I hear in my videos. Creatine causes hair loss. But this is a mistake, as there is insufficient evidence to claim that creatine causes hair loss. The concern is based on the theory that creatine may increase levels of DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a hormone related to male pattern baldness. However, studies have not found a consistent direct link between creatine and hair loss, so it is incorrect to assert this association between creatine and hair loss. A 2009 study examined the effects of creatine on DHT levels and did not find a conclusive relationship with hair loss. As creatine is a very broad topic, it is not possible to cover everything in one video. Therefore, I will leave a link to another video about 7 mistakes you should not make when taking creatine. Click and watch, as you may be making some of these mistakes. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment on the video about which of these myths you have heard the most and how often you use creatine per week. I will respond to all comments.